Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download the Line Messenger app on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Play Store on your phone and go to the search bar. After you go to search bar, just go ahead and search for Line Messenger. So as you click on Line Messenger, you can see the Line Calls and Messages by Line Corporation. Go ahead and click on it and click Install. As soon as you click Install, the Line Messenger app will be downloaded on your device and instantly installed after that. To learn more about this app, just go ahead and click on it, and you can see that Line is transforming the way people communicate, closing the distance between family, friends, and the loved ones for free. So some of the functionalities of it are messages, voice call, video calls, line stickers, emojis, and themes. So you can have a seamless connection on your mobile, Wear OS, and PC, and you can use your internet or your mobile data to use it as well. So it's quite easy to use Line Messenger app. Stay tuned for more about Line. I hope this video about how you can download and install the Line Messenger app on your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.